And the sponsor, really nice. I met her in Phoenix, and I was able to present for 1 hour last night. And she gave me the list of all the people. There was so much excitement, so much, lot of good questions, everything. Then the hotels. Oh my gosh. I mean, in tourism spots and at the airports, the occupancy has gone up. So I have really pivoted into the hospitality side also, and which is becoming bigger and bigger. The investment that I put in has gone 4x already in just for a year, and looks like it'll go to 12x as we bought the new hotel with the capital gain and everything. And the dividend checks are huge. And I just got the text yesterday. Another dividend check will be put into my bank account. So you are so right. I think we need to be pivoting and really stacking our skills so that we could get better and better in our niche. Of course, branding. You just mentioned about that, and using international assistance. Brother Walter and I did a whole show yesterday. Anybody watching us, please go back and look at Abundance Mindset from this April the 10th or 11th. And the key thing was, how can we really get a lot more done with the helping hands of international assistance like you mentioned just now. So stacking and really building economy of your own, which can really bring cash flows, and you're investing into products which will grow in value, in equity and so forth. It's so important that we don't just get stuck in stock market.
Yeah, and another example, Vinny, is like in part of my business, a lot of my candidates that I'm working with aren't ready to do a full-time business, and they like vending because it's you spend an hour per machine per week. They can get a lot of good potential tax write-offs with Section 179 and bonus depreciation of these machines. They can bring their kids in. So like another example is I could continue what I'm doing, but I saw that there was the trade industry for vending is actually putting a huge conference on. So I just spent $500 or $600 to get a ticket. It's here in Las Vegas. So that's just an example of going in and starting stacking skills. Like I'm going to learn a little bit more, and then I can help people get into different vending options, and or for myself, if I ever wanted to get into more of the unattended retail space, which is huge. If you go to an airport, there's all these machines that you just buy the product, nobody's there, you just check out with your credit card. That's an emerging area. I like it for a lot of reasons, because some people quite honestly like their jobs and they don't mind their jobs. Their problem, they usually don't have, if they're in Silicon Valley, they don't usually have an income problem. What they have is a tax problem. And that's what the world we play in, right? Is, you know, what asset classes can you get in where you maybe materially participate? It's considered an active business. You're not just the LP, which would then open up the doors potentially for more tax write-offs, right? Because an LP is only going to be limited to a certain write-off. So that's the intrigue of my mindset, is the more people I can help create wealth, the more wealthy I will get. And that's the bottom line. So that's exactly what you do over your syndication career, right? The more we help other people create wealth, the more we create wealth for ourselves.